reeling me in. Oh, they're fighting each other.
All right, you come up on the
John, Fred, Logan, and Steven battles all the way across the field.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa OnRoad RC Racing. This is the series finale 2024. We're going to go for TTGT AMAIN. The TT02 SENNA. Currently starting P2 in the AMAIN. See if we can hold on to a podium finish. Alright, here we go. TTGT AMAIN.
Got camera set up.
TTGT AMAIN. Here we go. Hey, Fred. Oh, I'm not going to see that corner.
Less than a minute to the start of the race. Logan's checked in. John's coming around now. John's checked in. What's our marshal situation? We have one. All right. Everybody on the tone. Less than 5. We're racing. The marshals watch the corners, not the races. Oh, really tight battle script. Oh, gets spun around, racing incident.
All right, you come up on the
purple. John, Fred, Logan, and Steven battles all the way across the field. Fastest laps are just starting to come in. Jake with an 8.8 fast lap on lap number 2. We have John with a 9.7 on lap number 2. Fred
I'm going to hold off Fred and all the guys behind me.
Sorry, Smash Patch is putting in 9.3 and Steven with a 9.7. Looks like the fast laps are still improving. Jake with an 8.8 fast lap on lap number 4. John with an 9.4. Fred currently with a 9.6. Logan with a 9.3.
Alright, I got him on the inroad on that one. That was a nice clean inroad section.
We have John with a 9.5 lap average. Fred currently with a 9.7. Logan with a 9.9 and Steven with a 9.8. Couple battles happening on track right now. John and Fred battling it out about 1.4 seconds from those guys. Fred and Logan, your third and fourth place car, battling it out as well. 0.8 seconds from those guys on track. Logan and Steven only separate by 0.9 seconds on track.
Followed by Fred in third place with a 30 lap 504.9 pace. Followed by Logan in fourth place with a 30 lap 508.9 pace. Followed by Tucker in fifth place with a 30 lap 508.
Alright, the pack is coming up on me.
Fred, Logan, and Steven, but the battle's still raging. Fred and Logan really close on track. That's your third and fourth place car. 0.177 those guys on track.
This looks like the leader coming up on me.
That's going to be Fred and Steven. 0.8 seconds now.
Take it here, Jake. Nice, nice.
Jake's still with the fast stop. The race with 8.7 on lap number 6. John currently rocking the 9.3. Fred with 5.94.
Oh my God.
9.9 now up to third place. John up to second place.
I hope not, but
Orders have changed a lot. Jake, John, Steven, Fred, and Logan. That is your race order. Scratch that. That's changed again. Jake, John, Fred, Logan, and Steven is our new current race order. Fred and Logan currently battling it out still. Half a second separating those
Oh
guys
man,
on track.
Fred catching up.
97 fastest lap. We have John with a 9.3. Fred Logan with a 9.3 as well. Logan rocking a 9.1 and on lap number 11 putting in.
Oh, blew that corner. Oh no, that's not good.
Jake with an 8 lap average. We have John with a 9.
They're reeling me in. Oh, they're fighting each other. Now I got Logan to deal with. Fred got the short end of that one.
Oh, looks like we have another battle developing. John and Logan, your second and third place car. 1.5 seconds separating those guys on track. Coming down to about 3 minutes remaining. Still Jake up front a little bit. John, Logan, and Fred.
Oh, get off the boards.
John, Logan, Fred, and Steven.
Oh, Logan's catching up. Oh, I gotta block him. Whoa.
Coming down to about 1 minute, 30 seconds left in the race. John and Logan in a full-blown battle.
Oh, wow, that was sweet. Got ahead of him.
Less than oh, it looks like it's brought it up to about 1 second gap between John and Logan, your second and third place car. Coming down to about 1 minute remaining. Roughly 1 minute. Jake's going to throw over by John, Logan, Fred, and Steven. Back in the battle, 0.8 seconds, separating the Well, second and third place cars. Fastest laps happened about too much. Jake still with that 8.7 on lap number 6, but John now with the 9.2 on lap number 22. Wow, watch the midfield.
Oh, I think Logan rolled it over.
All right, thank you, Steven. Good also. Red currently with a 9.1, fastest lap on lap number 21. Oh, big drag back starting the straightaway there. Looks like a car fell off that car. It's midway down. You won't worry about that until the end of the race. Small enough that it shouldn't be all that big of a deal. Logan currently with a 9 flat on lap number 20, and Steve Crosser with a 9 flat, so 9.062 on lap number 11. Slightly slower than Logan's 9.043 on lap number 20. Alright, coming down to about 25 seconds left. There is still Jake up on pole by John Fred, Logan and Steven. No new battles developing. Everybody looks like he's kind of settling into his spots.
15 seconds left.
John improving the fastest lap slightly. Personal best for him with a 9.257 going green. Jake's still third with that 8.7. And that is the total, but your race is still live. Just keep driving until all your games. Jake's done, Fred's done, Steven's done, Logan's done, and John is done. Jake takes
Right on.
Fred, Logan, and Steven's fastest lap race with first place car.
Oh, nice race there.
Yeah, nice race. You were putting the pressure on me for sure, and traffic got you. But yeah, that was yeah. All right, that was good. AMAIN. Jake only got 1 lap up on me. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you don't hear subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That's a TTGT second place finish in the final AMAIN of the season.